When Nestle came into Michigan, they said, we're a good corporate citizen, we're not gonna hurt anything, we're responsible. During the trial, the company kept pumping during a season of drought.
Any of the predicted reductions in flow in dead stream will have absolutely no effect on that ecosystem.
The stream area in front of one of the clients' homes was basically a mud flat. I cross-examined the plant manager and I said, look at these pictures, there's a mud flat here. Don't you think you ought to stop pumping? They kept pumping even then. Some of these small channels that flow into the lake from these springs along the North Shore almost stopped flowing. The reality was, no matter what they said, there was significant adverse impact and they kept pumping. Water has always had a public aspect to it. This water has always been considered not owned by anybody. I mean, you know, today we think, well, isn't that profound? It's not profound at all. I mean, that's just common sense. The judge ruled, he simply said, look, a diversion of water for selling somewhere else that diminishes the flow or lake, the integrity of this flow of water is unlawful. It cannot be done. They do not have the property right to do it, and he told him to turn off the pumps.